Sarbot. Imagine a robotic dog armed and ready for duty. Meet the Sarbot, the first of its kind to feature built-in weapons, created entirely by Turkish engineers. This four-legged machine is designed to assist ground forces and handle tasks like reconnaissance and security. But that's not all. It can detect chemical and radiation hazards, making it an essential ally in dangerous missions. Sarbot isn't built for speed, covering only 2.5 kilometers in an hour, but it's highly efficient. Armed with the SAR-109T submachine gun, boasting an effective range of 100 meters and equipped with 3D mapping algorithms and AI, SARBOT is a futuristic game-changer. ARX Mithra OS. Over in Germany, ARX Robotics is giving outdated military vehicles a second life. By upgrading traditional armored vehicles with sensors, cameras, and the cutting-edge Mithra OS, ARX transforms these machines into autonomous vehicles. They can share real-time intelligence through an interconnectivity and swarming system, enhancing battlefield coordination. With advanced situational awareness features and the ability to serve as tactical wingmen, these vehicles seamlessly work alongside drones. What other roles could such tech-enabled vehicles play in the future? Silas Helma P. The Helma P system, developed in France, is redefining anti-drone defense. This laser module can take down drones up to a kilometer away and even disrupt their optical systems within a 3-kilometer radius. From micro-drones weighing 100 grams to larger models over 20 kilograms, Helma P ensures no aerial threat escapes its precision. And the developers aren't stopping there. Next year, they're introducing an advanced turret with night vision. The future of drone defense just got brighter. Bullfrog. Unlike its laser-based French counterpart, the Bullfrog uses a machine gun to bring down drones. Armed with a 7.62mm M240 machine gun, this compact system, weighing under 180 kilograms, boasts remarkable accuracy, thanks to AI trained on millions of images. It can take out drones up to 600 kilograms from a distance of 800 meters. Designed to fit in the back of a pickup truck, Bullfrog offers mobility and power in a small package, ready to tackle aerial threats with precision. Servotech Inflatable Walls Training System, IWTS. The British company Servotech has created a groundbreaking inflatable walls training system, IWTS, for urban combat scenarios. This portable system consists of durable, inflatable blocks that can be arranged into a maze the size of several basketball courts. Setup takes just 35 minutes, and the blocks are tough enough to withstand blank rounds. Whether for military or civilian purposes, IWTS provides an innovative and practical training solution for combat environments. Agilite Magnetics Tactical Belt. The Magnetics tactical belt by Israeli company Agilite sets a new standard in tactical gear. With a patented magnetic system, this belt locks into place for a secure fit, even when fully loaded with equipment. Over time, the inner belt contours to the user's body for added comfort. Compatible with modular gear, the Magnetics combines innovation, reliability, and durability, offered at a reasonable price of $239. KNDS Boxer Bridge Layer. When German company KMW joined forces with French company Nexter, they created the KNDS Boxer Bridge Layer. This versatile armored vehicle can deploy a 22-meter bridge in under 6 minutes or a smaller 14-meter bridge in just 4 minutes. Designed for both military and civilian operations, the Boxer provides protection against mines, improvised explosive devices, and even chemical threats. Bridging gaps has never been this efficient or safe. Myra C-21 Respirator. For military personnel operating in hazardous conditions, the Myra C-21 full-face respirator is a lifesaver. Made in the US, it offers top-notch protection against chemical, biological, and nuclear threats. Its innovative design minimizes CO2 buildup, ensuring users stay focused. With an integrated communication system and the ability to function in extreme temperatures, this respirator is both practical and durable, with a service life of 10 years. Northrop Grumman Model 437. The Northrop Grumman Model 437 aircraft represents a leap forward in aerospace technology. Developed under the Digital Pathfinder initiative, this fully digital engineering ecosystem reduces the need for refinements from 20% to just 1%. The Model 437 can fly for 6 hours, reach an altitude of 7.6 kilometers, and cover over 5,500 kilometers. With a payload capacity of 97 kilograms and 2 air-to-air missiles, this aircraft is a marvel of modern engineering. Patria Nemo Container. Finland's Patria Nemo container combines the power of a 120mm mortar with unmatched mobility. Housed in a 6-meter container, this system can be deployed by naval forces and even fire while on the move at speeds of up to 37 kilometers per hour. Capable of firing 10 rounds per minute with a range of 10 kilometers, the Nemo system is ideal for both direct and indirect fire scenarios. EBAD breacher strip. At first glance, the breacher strip might look like duct tape, but it's far from ordinary. Developed by US-based EBAD, this explosive tape contains primer sheets made from high-grade substances like PETN. It's perfect for breaching doors, windows, or walls, providing soldiers with a fast and effective way to clear obstacles. Hensoldt SETAs. Germany's Hensoldt has introduced the SETAs system, which allows crews inside armored vehicles to see their surroundings in full 360 degrees, day or night. Compatible with smart glasses, SETAs offers target indication and tracking features, enabling soldiers to detect threats like snipers or rocket-propelled grenades before they strike. This is battlefield awareness redefined. Lubawa SA EOD-1 suit. Polish company Lubawa SA has developed the EODONE bomb disposal suit, offering comprehensive protection against blast waves, shrapnel, and extreme heat. It features built-in cooling systems, communication tools, and a user-friendly touchscreen for easy management. With cameras integrated into the suit, other specialists can monitor the situation remotely, enhancing safety and efficiency. Rafael Light Beam. The Light Beam system from Rafael is an affordable and powerful laser solution for neutralizing drones. With a range of 2 kilometers, it can take down entire swarms at just a few dollars per shot. Offering 10 kilowatts of power, Light Beam is versatile enough to handle other threats like mines and motor shells, making it a valuable addition to modern defense systems. FNSS Tiber 35. Turkey's FNSS defense system specializes in high-tech armored vehicles, and the PARS 8x8 is one of their standout designs. Equipped with a Tiber 35 turret and a Bushmaster 350mm cannon, this vehicle can neutralize tanks and UAVs with precision. With advanced firepower and remote control capabilities, the PARS 8x8 represents cutting-edge military technology. Sanlab Robotic Platforms, Turkish company. Sanlab develops robotic platforms capable of handling up to 14 tons of equipment. These platforms are ideal for military turrets or training simulators. Featuring proprietary software for data analysis and the integration of virtual reality, Sanlab is revolutionizing both combat and training scenarios. Roketsan Pusu. The Pusu system by Turkey's Roketsan is a compact missile launcher perfect for mounting on pickup trucks. It features 4 missiles, including the Sirit, which has a range of 8 kilometers. Capable of precision strikes within a 3x3 meter area, Pusu offers a versatile and mobile solution for various combat scenarios. Ripsaw M, 3 Textrons. Ripsaw M3 is a robotic platform designed for modern warfare. It can carry over 2,200 kilograms, travel silently on electric power, and cover 290 kilometers. With speeds of up to 48 kilometers per hour, it's ideal for patrols, reconnaissance, and even engineer missions. Its modular design ensures it can adapt to various operational needs. Anduril Dive XL. The Dive XL by Anduril might just be the future of underwater operations. With a modular design and 100-hour solo mission capability, this all-electric vehicle performs like a mini submarine. Whether for surveillance, research, or combat, the Dive XL's adaptability makes it a game-changer in the underwater tech world. Rapid Expandable Shelter. Finally, we have the Rapid Expandable Shelter by France's Ségalec Defense. This ingenious 6-meter container expands to provide up to 89 square meters of usable space. Fully equipped with ventilation, air conditioning, and communication systems, it's a versatile solution for military and civilian use alike. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more amazing tech innovations.